Hey there, my name is Rachayata and I am the founder at Artamore, a creative studio based in Mumbai, India. We conduct online workshops, we make handmade products, paintings, candles, and we teach a lot of different art forms that are modern, contemporary, folk arts via personal workshops, personal sessions, group sessions, and even online sessions. And today I'm going to be sharing with you some really fun and interesting ways to upcycle regular brown paper bags into beautiful Christmas gift wraps. And you can use all these techniques to wrap presents all around the year. And we are going to be using different craft items and real leaves and flowers and weeds to decorate these presents. So if you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel, and leave comments if you have any questions regarding any of the tutorials that are shown in the video. Do follow Artamore on Instagram, Facebook at artamore.loveforart, and we will keep in touch. Drop your suggestions in the comments as to what kind of videos would you like to see in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making all these videos for you. If you use these DIY ideas this Christmas, do share a picture with us on Instagram or Facebook and tag us at artamore.loveforart in your post on stories, and I would love to see all your works and all your presents that are beautifully wrapped using these tutorials. So looking forward to all your posts. Do press the bell icon if you would like to receive notifications of all of our upcoming videos and want to get crafty using them. Have you ever tried to upcycle a brown bag? Cut open the bag and wrap your gift with it. Use a permanent marker to draw a jar in the middle of the paper. You can even draw a vase, a cylinder, or any other item that you put flowers in. Don't forget to add a few highlight and shadow strokes to make it look more realistic. I'm already loving the way it's coming together. Let's add some flowers and leaves into it. I'm using a few branches of baby's breath and a few pieces of flat evergreen. Less is more, so do not add too many pieces onto your jar. These were obviously way too many, so I removed a few of them and added just a little. Once you're happy with the arrangement, secure your arrangement with a piece of tape. Take a jute twine and wrap it around your gift several times. This step is to cover the tape. You can even use a piece of your favorite color ribbon to do this step. Tie the two ends of the string into a tiny knot. Add more flowers if you would like in between the knot. And that's how you upcycle a boring brown paper bag into something useful and making a beautiful wrapped gift. Cut open a brown bag and lay the paper flat onto a surface. Use some white acrylic paint and pour it onto a flat surface. Add a little bit of water to thin down the paint. Use a piece of flat evergreen and dip it into the white paint. Do not overload your leaf with a lot of paint. Splat your leaf across the brown paper. I enjoyed doing this process so much that I did it for almost 15 minutes. Stop when you think you have achieved the desired texture on your paper. Save this flat evergreen piece for use later. Lay it flat onto a piece of paper and open up the leaves carefully. Once the paper has dried for a few hours, use it to wrap your gift. Here's our flat evergreen piece fully dried. Letting the white paint dry onto the flat evergreen piece gives it a very snowy look. Make a beautiful arrangement with other flat evergreen pieces and a few pine cones. Use a glue gun to secure your arrangement. Using the base of the flat evergreen pieces will give a good texture to the white evergreen piece that we made. You can add a small jute twine and wrap it around your gift a couple of times to just add a little bit of rustic touch. Tie the ends of the string into a tiny knot. I am definitely using this idea to wrap my Christmas gifts, will you? Cut open a brown bag and lay the paper flat onto a surface. Use some white acrylic paint and pour it onto a flat surface. Thin down the paint if necessary. Use a flat brush and dip it into your paint. Load your brush with a lot of paint. Use the tip of your finger to spread the bristles of your brush onto your paper. You can even stroke your brush onto your paper to make drips and splatter onto the paper. Use a combination of both the techniques till you achieved your desired texture. It's a good idea to do this step outdoors so that the paint doesn't ruin your surfaces or the surroundings that you're working in. Once you're happy with the way it looks, let it dry for at least a few hours. Take a strip of black paper and wrap it in the lower 1/3 of your gift. Secure it with some tape at the back. Use a few dried Christmas leaves. Place it in the gap created by the strip of the paper. Add as many or as few as you like till you're happy with the arrangement. Take a piece of beige lace and wrap it onto the piece of your black strip of paper. Tie the ends of a lace into a tiny knot in the center of your gift. Cut the ends of your lace diagonally. Isn't this a fun way to wrap a gift? Cut open a brown bag and lay the paper flat. Wrap your gift with that paper. Use a piece of parchment paper and use any air dry clay that you have available. Here I am using Fevicryl molded and I am combining the two compounds that are supposed to be mixed to make the clay. Use a little bit of talcum powder so that the clay doesn't stick to your hands. Mix the compounds till they are evenly mixed and there is no marbling on them. Roll it between your hands and form a tube. Then fold the tube in half and again keep rolling them. After doing this for about 3 to 4 minutes, you will have an evenly mixed clay. Once your clay is ready, roll it into a ball and lay it flat on the parchment paper. Roll out the ball into a flat round by using any cylindrical object. Apply even pressure. Cut out a round according to the size of your gift using a cookie cutter or any sharp utensil. Lay out a few botanicals that you would like to get an imprint of. You can use fern leaves, you can use Christmas leaves. Considering this is a Christmas themed gift wrapping, it would be a really cool idea to use these. Lay out an arrangement and make sure that all of them have at least a little overlapping between them. Once you're happy with the arrangement, use the cylindrical tube again and press down your arrangement into the clay. Make sure that the botanicals get stuck to the clay properly. Roll it evenly from all the sides. Carefully starting with the topmost botanical, remove all of them very gently. You can use any sharp object to pick out parts that are not coming off easily. Using a small hollow sharp tube, make a small hole at the top of the clay. From the remaining clay, make a few small round balls to add at the ends of your jute strings as embellishments. Let the clay dry according to the instructions on your pack. I am using metallic wax to add as a little bit of highlight onto our clay. This will give it a very good festive touch. You can add more or less of this highlight as per your preference. Also add the same highlight to the balls that we made. Use a jute twine and wrap it several times around your gift. pass the clay ornament from under the jute twine. Tie the ends of the jute twine into a small knot. Leave some extra ends to add a little bit of Christmas leaf onto it. To the end of the jute twine, stick some Christmas leaves using a glue gun. At the edges of the jute twine, we are going to stick the golden balls that we made. How gorgeous does this look? Cut open a brown bag and lay the paper flat. Wrap your gift with it. Here's a small gift wrapping hack for you. There is nothing like too much tape, so use tape to firmly secure your wrap around your gift. We are going to make a bouquet of flowers using paper doilies. Fold the two opposite sides of the doily to form a cone. Stick the folded part using Fevicol or any other adhesive. Place fresh green leaves or flowers into the cavity inside the doily. Trim off excess leaves as per your requirement and as per the look of your arrangement. Less is more, so don't add too many of it. Once you're happy with your arrangement, stick everything using glue and secure it to the doily. Jute twine obviously adds a little more extra touch that is required to bring the gift together. Wrap it several times around your gift and secure the ends into a tiny knot. What a beautiful bouquet of flowers onto our gifts, isn't it? Cut open a brown bag and lay the paper flat. Wrap your gift with that paper. Pick some fresh stems of leaves and flowers from around you. Make sure that whatever plant you choose has soft stems so that they are easily bendable. Trim the lengths of the stem into equal proportions and keep about 15 to 20 of them ready for your wreath. Using any soft cotton thread and probably a green color so that it's not that visible, lay out the stems in a straight line and overlap them a little bit. Using a string, secure all the overlaps of the stems. Just wrap the string a couple of times around the overlap and break it. Repeat this step till you have a line of stem long enough to form a circle. Add more stems wherever required. Once you have the line of stems ready and you are happy with it, tie both the ends of the stem line and secure it with a string. We will stick this wreath onto our gift, but before that, let's tie a cute jute embellishment onto the top of our gift. Using a glue gun, stick the wreath onto the jute embellishment and then stick it onto the remaining parts of the gift wrap. How pretty is this wreath embellished gift wrap? I am sure that you guys had fun watching all these tutorials and I can't wait for you to try these on your own. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comments below, or you can simply DM us on our Facebook or Instagram page at artomore.loveforart. We would love to get in touch with you and have a word. See you with another fun tutorial DIY video soon. Merry Christmas and happy gift wrapping! Do follow Artomore on Instagram at artomore.loveforart, and if you have any questions, doubts, you can reach us anytime via our personal message. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to Artomore channel for more such fun and interesting DIY videos that we have lined up for you.